Financial tips for those under 18. 1. Set your financial goals. Start by setting clear financial goals. Having specific goals helps you stay motivated. Short-term goals. Buying something small, like a new phone or video games. Medium-term goals. Saving for your first car or college. Long-term goals. Planning for a house or retirement. By categorizing your goals, you can prioritize your money and stay focused. Second, start saving, even if it's small. It's important to save, even if the amount is small. Save a percentage. Save 10 to 20% of any money you receive, allowances, gifts, or earnings. Track your savings. Use a savings account or a budgeting app to manage it. Example, saving just $5 a week adds up to $260 in a year. Starting early will set you up for future financial stability. 3. Find ways to earn your own money. Having multiple sources of income helps you grow your savings faster. Freelance work. Offer tutoring, design services, or pet sitting. Sell handmade products. You can sell crafts or homemade goods online. Example, a teenager with design skills can offer logo designs or create custom shirts to sell. Working for your money teaches financial responsibility and helps you better manage your earnings. 4. Learn how to budget. Budgeting is about tracking your income and expenses. Track income and expenses. Write down your money coming in and going out. Separate needs and wants. Identify essential expenses, like food, and avoid unnecessary purchases, like extra snacks. Example, if you earn $50, spend $20 on essentials, save $20, and have $10 for leisure activities. Budgeting helps you be mindful of where your money goes. 5. Improve your financial literacy. Knowing financial basics will help you make better decisions. Understand key terms. Learn about interest, credit, savings, and investing. Resources. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad for Teens, or watch financial videos. Example, knowing how interest works helps you understand how savings grow or how debt accumulates. Understanding money early helps you avoid common mistakes. 6. Start investing. Early investing is an effective way to build wealth over time. Start small. Begin with small amounts like $5 or $10. Use investment apps. Try apps like Robinhood or Acorns with parental consent to learn the basics. Example, $10 invested in a stock that grows 10% annually becomes $11 in a year. Reinvesting can lead to more growth. The earlier you start, the greater the potential for compound interest. 7. Consider starting a small business. Entrepreneurship can provide valuable experience and income. Freelancing offers skills like graphic design, writing, or tutoring, sell products, create and sell items like jewelry or crafts. Example, a teen interested in social media can start a service managing accounts for local businesses. A small business can help you learn essential skills and increase your income. 8. Avoid impulse buying. Learn to control your spending to avoid unnecessary purchases. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I use it for a long time? Delayed gratification. Wait a few days before making big purchases to see if you still want it. Example, if you want a new pair of shoes, wait 48 hours before buying to avoid impulse spending. This habit helps you save and focus on your long-term goals. 9. Be patient and consistent. Financial success takes time. Stay consistent with your savings and investments. Small steps lead to big results. Save a little each month and it adds up. Focus on your goals. Keep your goals in mind and don't get discouraged by slow progress. Example, even saving $5 each week for a year adds up to $260, which can cover a future need. Patience is essential and consistency leads to long-term growth. 10. Find a trusted mentor. Having someone experienced guide you is invaluable. Learn from others. Seek advice from parents, teachers, or someone knowledgeable about money. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask for help or clarification. Example, a mentor can help you understand investing or budgeting and offer valuable financial advice. A good mentor provides guidance, helping you make informed financial decisions. Conclusion. Starting your financial education early sets you up for success. By saving, budgeting, and investing, you can create a strong foundation for your future. With patience, small steps, and guidance from mentors, you can become financially independent at a young age.